Every great catch starts with the right gear, the right choice for the toughest waters, the right fit for every step. Trudave deck boots. Designed for the boat, engineered for the catch. Stay sure-footed, stay dry, no matter what the water throws your way. Whether you're battling waves or reeling in the big one, Trudave's slip-resistant soles keep you steady and secure. With cutting-edge, waterproof technology, Trudave deck boots ensure your feet stay dry and comfortable no matter how long the journey. From dawn to dusk, from calm seas to stormy waters, Trudave deck boots are built to keep you on your feet no matter the conditions. Catch of the day, every day. When you're wearing Trudave, you're not just fishing, you're conquering the water. Trudave, where your adventure begins. Gear up, stay dry, fish longer. Ready for your next catch? Get your Trudave boots today and step into the adventure.